Hello, I am Augusto from Metatech, and today we're going to do a comparative test of satellite connection between two multiband antennas connected to the GNSS module REACHM2 from EMLID. We can see on screen the two antennas that we're going to compare. On the left, we can see the IDR5 antenna of Metatech and the distribution of the installation. As you can see on one side, there are three holes where you will see the status of the lights of the REACHM2 module. On the right, we have the Talisman HC871 antenna and the weights connected to the REACH-M2. Briefly, we will describe the Metatech base station kit for M2, which is a complete solution that converts the REACH-M2 module into a multiband GNSS base station, compatible with any universal tripod. It is a modular system that allows to connect the REACH-M2 and also the EMLID LoRa radio for RTK. The kit comes with an IDR5 multiband antenna, a temperature sensor for cooling, and a lithium battery for 16 hours of work. The shell enclosure is made of high-strength aluminum and has a 5/8 universal thread. The total weight is 350 grams. Here we can see how both antennas are installed in the REACH-M2. For the test, we use two applications, the REACHVIEW 3 of EMLID and the SW Maps, which is well known in surveying. These are the results of the connection tests between both antennas. On the left side, we can see the results of the IDR5 antenna of Metatech, which is connected to 38 satellites and with a PDOP of 1.3. On the right, the results of the Talisman HC871 antenna, who has connected to 28 satellites and with a PDOP of 2.0. These are the results of the connection test using SW Maps. The IDR5 antenna has connected to 25 satellites and with a PDOP of 1.2, while the Talisman antenna has connected to 19 satellites and with a PDOP of 1.7. Both antennas gave good satellite capture results and a PDOP very close to 1, which indicates a successful result. You can buy the base station kit for REACH-M2 from Metatech's website or from its global network of dealers. Thanks.